Welcome to Sigma Equipment. Today's equipment demonstration involves a Balpack plastic tabletop conveyor. This conveyor is running on a 120-volt system, single phase. A tabletop conveyor uses flat plates that align horizontally to form a flat surface. This type of conveyor is widely used in the beverage industry due to the width of the conveyor being more narrow and flexible than other types of belts. This plate style of belt is more durable, and the flexibility of a plastic tabletop conveyor is suitable for paths with curves or changes in elevation. Having the ability to change out individual plates helps with maintaining and repairing damaged tabletop conveyor belts. The VFD on this conveyor allows for speed adjustment with a maximum speed of 60 Hertz. This specific unit has a length of 10 feet and a width of 4 inches. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. To learn more about this type of conveyor and other equipment, please visit us at sigmaequipment.com.